The narrow hem, also known as the rolled hem, is a very small hem. This video will demonstrate how to do it with a specialized presser foot. If you want to see it done without a specialized foot, see our description. The narrow hem is done when you don't want to weigh down lightweight fabrics like chiffon, organza, and silks, but can also be done on cottons as well. It's also a great option for curved hemlines, like if you're sewing a circle skirt. Because it's narrow, it's better than a standard hem because you don't have to ease it or have it look puckered. If your pattern includes a larger hem allowance, you can trim this down as you need less fabric to sew a narrow hem, leaving about a ½ inch or so. Also, if working with a slippery, tricky fabric like chiffon, sometimes it's easier to spray it with a fabric stiffener that can be washed out when done to stabilize it. You can order a narrow hem or foot for your sewing machine either online or at a sewing machine shop. They're usually not too expensive, but can save time, especially if you plan on doing a rolled hem a lot. Make sure to select a straight stitch that is centered to your presser foot. Place your fabric under the presser foot wrong side up, putting the needle 1/8 of an inch from the side edge. Sew about 3 or 4 stitches at this 1/8 of an inch seam allowance. This will allow us to anchor the threads to the fabric. Lift your foot and pull the fabric out, but do not cut your threads. Be careful when doing this so not to pull out your anchor stitches. Take those 2 threads attached from the fabric to the needle and pull it into the curved or swooped section of the presser foot going from front to back. Keep pulling until your fabric goes into the swoop, starts to roll over, and is a little ways past the needle. Put your foot down and start sewing, slowly at first and continuing to hold the threads to hold it taut in the back. My right hand is lifting the fabric and making sure it folds over to touch the small ledge on the left of the presser foot. Keep sewing, holding it taut by the fabric in your left hand while guiding it with your right. Definitely practice on scraps as it can take some time to master using this foot. Here's what it looks like when finished. If you want to see how to do a rolled or narrow hem using a standard presser foot, we've also done a tutorial on this and you can check out the description for a link. Our book, Professor Pincushin's Beginner Guide to Sewing, Garment Making for Nervous Newbies, is now available to order. Go to professorpincushion.com/books or click on the link in the description to see a list of vendors where you can purchase it.